What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm Lorenzo and today we're going to be going over a craft again, which I think is pretty cool, and we all know that if I think something is cool, it's probably not, so let's just see if it is cool. This is the craft. It's pretty big. It's actually so big that I can barely fit it on my desk. But we're still gonna film it. We're still gonna do this. This is a big mistake. Okay, so this is kind of hard to film. I don't have a lamp, so we're just gonna deal with it. So this is a U-Haul box. So what we're gonna be making is a little home theater box thing. Yeah, I don't really know, but you're gonna understand when we make it. So okay, so I have a U-Haul box, medium. Cut a hole size of a tablet. I have my tablet here. Take off your case. It's really hard to do with one hand. There we go. Tablet, cut a hole on the other side, cut a hole so it's big enough to fit your tablet in, and then cut a hole in the inside for just the screen. You know, you see that the screen, okay, so you see the screen is there, and then this is just not the screen, so you just cut a hole for just the screen there. Okay, cut a hole for your neck. This is a little bit too big for my neck, but I just did it to fit my shoulders in because I can't really see it because my neck is not that long. And then you can cut another hole there. Focus. You can cut another hole there, and that's for a speaker, a Bluetooth speaker if you have one like this. This is an Amazon Basics one, but still. So this is how it's gonna go. You have a Bluetooth speaker, pair it up, then put it all the way back in there. All the way back in. Shoot. Okay, just shoot. Okay. Just like that. Boom. Then put your tablet screen up there. Put it right there. Boom. Perfect. Okay. And this is what you're gonna see. There we go. It's turned on. Boom. Free advertisements. Okay, I don't know, that's a dog food, I think. Anyway, that's what you see, and then you can watch movies or whatever you want. So it's pretty dark in there, as you can see, and it's meaning that you can only see the screen, basically. So that's the point. So that was today's craft, and if you really enjoyed it, then do please consider subscribing. I don't have any subscribers. Like the video if you did like it. If you didn't like it, then dislike it, I guess. If you thought it was stupid, then leave a comment and dislike it. Or if you have any questions, I think it's pretty self-explanatory, but if you have any questions, then yeah, feel free to ask in the comment section down below, and I will be replying to the comments. So I hope you guys all enjoyed that little video, and yeah, I hope you learned something. Okay, I think that's it. So bye.